All right. Good morning, everyone. Uh, Today is our second meeting of English uh, through an online platform. Kemarin, what we have discussed,
Caption.
Caption.
caption. Thank you, Stephen. Caption. Uh, for caption, how many type of the correct caption? If you still remember,
Dua.
Dua.
dua. What is that?
Informal and formal.
Informal and formal. Very good. Very good, Stephen. Informal. How many type of informal? How many type of informal caption?
Three.
Ya.
Three. Nicholas, what are those?
Um. Define the actor.
Define the actor. Very good. What else?
Define the action.
Define the action. What else?
Tanda sebagai kisi-kisi apa, Sir? Atau bahasa
Oh,
Inggris?
okay. Yang tanda apa maksud kamu?
RBO
Oh, I
17 plus.
see. Okay. The level. Okay. So, today we're going to discuss further about caption informal context. Kemarin kan yang informal context kan?
Iya.
Sekarang yang a formal context. What make them different? Kemarin udah kita bahas. What make formal context and informal context different?
Informal
Nicholas.
tidak secara langsung, contoh kayak Instagram,
Okay.
Facebook, sosial media lainnya. Kok formal ya secara langsung.
Alright. Is there any other answer? Guys, can you guys turn on your camera? Aneh aja kayaknya saya ngomong dengan tanda-tanda biru-biru merah-merah gini. I'm not really comfortable with that. Okay, you can. All right. So, as I told you before, that informal context, it has no rule, no guidance, right? Kamu mau tulis apa aja, it's up to you. As long as it is related to the picture, that it is fine. But in formal context, it is a bit complex. You need to follow some guidance, you need to follow some rule. Nggak bisa seenaknya tulis sesuka hati. There is a format, okay? Most of the time, caption in formal context biasanya kalau kalian bisa lihat in newspaper probably. If you have a newspaper nearby, kamu bisa lihat any picture ada pasti caption bawahnya. Itu nggak sembarang mereka buat. There is rule to actually follow, right? There is a different with what happened in Bahasa Indonesia and what happened in English. So in English, it's about worldwide usage. So the most common usage in worldwide, not only in Indonesia but also in worldwide. Okay, in United States or in British, for example, or in Canada or in any other country menggunakan format yang sama. So basically formal context itu kita akan bahas tentang how journalists can write the caption. At the end, there is an exercise, guys, and you need to create your own caption. I'm going to guide you one by one, step by step, in order to achieve it. All right. Take a look at this caption. Is it too small?
Yes.
Is it too small ya?
Nampak.
Nampak nggak?
Captionnya nampak. Kalau di zoom.
Captionnya. Oke.
Ceweknya kurang nampak, Sir.
Samping aja.
Okay, captionnya adalah the beauty of New Zealand. The beauty of New Zealand. Okay, and is it formal or informal?
Informal.
Informal.
Informal. Why do you say that it is informal?
Terus nggak ada langsung tag di gambarnya.
Yap, nggak ada langsung tag di gambar, or tidak ada penjelasan, tidak ada what do we call it, like tidak ada aturan, mau tulis bagaimanapun, it's up to that individual. Okay, jadi nggak ada aturan. That's why we call it informal. But how about this? How about this?
Formal ya.
Formal.
Jadi
Nggak nampak ya sama sekali ya sama kalian ya.
iya.
Lex buka aja Lex. Kameranya Lex.
Udah buka deh tadi.
Oke bos.
Oke, gini mungkin nampak. Nampak tak?
Nampak.
Banjir, nampak.
Nampak sedikit ya.
Jauh kali ini nampak banjir.
Nampak kata-kata banjir ya kak, bilang banjir langsung.
Mana unik?
Hah?
Like.
Nggak tahu dah. Susah li kimia.
Nggak nampak juga ya. Oke, so ini adalah kondisi rumah dan mobil yang tertimbun lumpur akibat terjangan banjir bandang di Kecamatan Masamba. Do you know the news? Yang banjir bandang itu, do you know the news?
Sulawesi Utara.
Is it Sulawesi Utara?
Selatan.
Oh iya.
Lupa, ya berarti Sulawesi, sir.
Okay. So
Selatan.
that is actually the caption, right? Ini caption yang ada di berita itu. Or let's see what we call it, Jakarta Post. Kompas. Okay, I'm sharing you another screen.
Astaga.
Can you guys see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Bunch of Chinese.
What is the caption?
Nggak muncul, Sar.
Nggak muncul. People
wearing mask.
wearing face mask due to the coronavirus disease.
Coronavirus disease COVID-19 outbreak shit on push in Hong Kong, China, July 14, 2020.
Yes. Boleh nggak kalau kalian sebagai pressnya di sini, kamu tulis di situ aku dan maskerku. Is that okay?
Okay.
No.
No.
No dong, because you need what we call it like a rule to guide to have to that conclusion. So that is what we are going to study right now. How actually to write a caption right? Informal context. So this is what we have studied. Formal and informal. Yang informal kemarin udah ada 3, sekarang ada formal context. Informal context berarti ada gimana tuh? Ada first, second, third line. How many line? Third line. Okay. So based on this based on this formal context, so nggak boleh kurang dari those 3 line. Okay. At minimum standard, it need to contain at least 3 line, and this line you need to understand one by one. Okay. The first line ada apa aja?
Who, what, when, where.
Okay, Alex and Nicholas. Who, what, when, and
Where.
where. Okay. Second line.
Why or message.
Why or message. There you go. And third line.
Credit and release line.
Credit and release line. Okay. So we're going to talk one by one about this third line. Sambilan kita akan buat satu caption yang benar based on the international standard. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Take a look at this picture. Okay. This picture itu adalah formal caption. Who? Dia ngomongin who. Why? Who itu adalah the person or the thing that you see as the focus of the picture. Kan ada gambar ya, biasanya gambar ya kita bisa fokusnya beda-beda ya. This picture kita bisa fokus ke MRT or people as a whole or teenager. Teenager, because all of them are teenager. Can I focus to the door?
No.
No.
No? Why not?
Yes.
Yes, why yes?
No.
Karena ada what.
Karena ada what di situ. Right? Thank you, Nicholas. Because anything in the picture can be the focus. Okay? Bisa jadi fokus di situ. So, kalaupun sekiranya saya ngomongin door-nya, it's totally fine. Nah, sekarang kira-kira kita mau pakai teenager aja deh. Karena kan intinya kita mau bilang bahwa ini ada teenager orang keluar dari MRT, for example. Okay? So, teenager is who? Okay? What you see in that picture is a who. Now, gimana kalau yang what-nya? Kira-kira apa tuh what?
Benda.
Benda. Oke. Okay. Nicholas, Yulia gimana?
Apa yang terjadi?
Apa yang terjadi? Leo? Oke. Okay.
Apa yang dilakukan?
Alright, let's see. Apa yang dilakukan or apa yang terjadi? Let's see. Okay, for what? It's basically what is the actor yang dijawab oleh who tadi doing? Who-nya tadi si teenager, right? What is the teenager doing, right? On the picture, itu adalah jawaban dari what. For example, saya capturekan foto kita lagi webcamming ini. Saya akan bilang who-nya siapa?
Who-nya
student of 12 IPA.
Oke, students 12 IPA, good. What-nya apa?
study.
Studying,
While-
very good. Studying while apa?
Having quarantine.
Pokoknya adalah verb-nya. Verb.
Okay.
So the problem with I think that's not the problem. The easiest way to identify what-nya itu adalah lihat aja di gambar apa yang dia lakukan. it's not basically hanya harus apa yang dia lakukan. Kalau saya fokusnya ke door opening, door open, itu juga udah what kan? So anything that is yang ada di gambar ya, yang ada di gambar. Jadi nggak bisa bilang, umpamanya saya bilang di sini, teenager makan somai, so it's not possible karena nggak ada makan somai. It must be what happened in the picture. Atau kalau saya mau bilang juga umpamanya teenager takut coronavirus, can it be?
Yes.
No, what cannot itu karena apa? Karena yang kalau saya bilang teenager afraid of coronavirus itu udah not what it seems in the picture. Okay. It is pretty simple. Yang what itu jawab aja apa yang kamu lihat di situ. Right? Okay. What's next? When. This part is usually written in form of number instead of sentence. Jadi nggak bisa bilang kayak teenager wear mask while exiting on the MRT today, for example. Itu nggak bisa dong. Karena dia harus in form of number. 7, 15, 2020. 7-nya apa tuh?
Tanggal. Bulan.
Small. Okay. 18.
Tanggal.
Date.
Ya, tanggal.
20 year. Okay. So this is the way of how you write the date. Okay.
Ya.
Okay. Good. So, kalau mau kita jadikan, captionnya apa? Teenager
Wear mask.
While exiting the MRT. Kemudian tanggal dalam kurung.
Bulan. Tanggal tahun.
Okay. So far, do you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. So who, what, when, then where. Where tahu dong?
Di mana?
Iya, di mana ya? So, where? Jangan bilang dekat rumah saya, for example. It's not where. Okay? It's at the city or any location that known by the reader. Oke, kira-kira kalau tertulis seperti ini, teenager wear mask while exiting the MRT 7/18 2020 Jakarta Indonesia, kira-kira beritanya untuk siapa?
Nasional.
Orang
Internasional. Oke. Kalau saya hilangin Indonesianya, kira-kira who is the target of the news?
Indonesian people.
Indonesian people. Oke. Kalau saya bilang di situ penayung,
Banda Aceh.
penayung doang, Banda Aceh doang atau Aceh doang.
Lokal.
Okay. Artinya orang Banda Aceh sudah pasti tahu penayung. Nggak perlu dibilang penayung, koma Banda Aceh. You don't need to mention that anymore. So it's based on the target of the reader. Do you guys understand that?
Yes.
Yes. Is there any question?
No.
So far so good.
So far so good. So this is our first line caption. Teenager wear mask while exiting the MRT Jakarta Indonesia. Okay, congratulations on your first line caption.
Yay.
Okay, go to the second line. Can we continue? Is there any question on the first line?
No.
Good. Yang lain?
Diam-diam baik.
Julia, Elvin.
No.
Okay, good. There's another question. We're going to continue. This is second line. Second line is why or message. What does that mean? That means that the answer of why this picture matter or what do you want to inform through this picture. Nah, ini tadi ada gambar orang keluar dari MRT. Itu kan apa yang kamu lihat, kamu beritahukan di caption. Now, in why atau di message atau di second line, itu kamu harus memberitahukan what is not in the picture based on apa yang ingin kamu mau sampaikan. Or basically, ini bisa can be easily understood kalau sekiranya ada headline-nya. Biasanya nih berita tentang apa? Oke. Kira-kira ini beritanya kita mau bilang apa? PSBB udah dilonggarkan, atau new normal has been applied, atau kita bilang bahwa pakai masker udah diwajibkan, for example, yang merupakan berita. Okay? Why the picture is matter? Do you guys understand that?
Yes, sir.
Or kira-kira menurut kalian, kalau dalam bahasa kalian, can anyone help me? Apa kira-kira why or message ini? Kira-kira apa dia mereka itu?
Ya, semua orang disuruh mengikuti protokol kesehatan, memakai masker untuk mengurangi jumlah orang terkena corona.
Oke, berarti intinya dia ada hubungan nggak berita dengan gambarnya? Ada. It must be a connection between the news and the picture. Okay? Alright. Why or message ini diberikan atau diletakkan di sana to indicate why this picture is important. Kalau saya buat gambar gitu doang dan bilang bahwa ada orang keluar dari MRT, itu kayaknya kurang ini deh, kurang. Saya udah orang udah bisa lihat, ngapain dikasih tahu lagi kan?
Iya.
Nah, so beritahu sesuatu behind that picture, what message that you want to share. Do you guys understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. For example, saya buat gambar kita, lagi-lagi saya buat gambar kita sedang online meeting. Oke. Kemudian tadi udah saya jelasin bahwa students study through online meeting, for example. Nah, why-nya apa? Kira-kira apa? Why?
Belajar online karena adanya COVID-19.
Very good, Stephen. Belajar online menjadi satu alternatif ketika ada COVID-19. It is a news. It is important, walaupun behind the picture ada informasinya. Okay? Right. Can we continue, or is there any other question?
No.
No. Good. Third line. This is last line. It's credit. What is credit mean?
Penulis atau
Siapa yang
ngambil foto,
berita?
yang menerbitkan artikel.
Yes. Thank you, Leo. It's basically sama seperti kalian upload foto kemudian taken by, kayak taken by siapa kemudian kalian tag kayak gitu kan. So basically credit itu sama. How do you appreciate people? How do you appreciate the artwork, for example, of individual? Tapi penulisannya nggak bisa sembarang. There are two ways of writing it. Bisa Jakarta Post, kemudian foto by siapa? Foto by Esther, for example, atau foto by Jovan, for example. Okay. Or pakai tanda kurung Jakarta Post / Jovan, for example. Okay. Nah, Jakarta Post itu sebagai apa sih?
Penerbitnya, perusahaannya, sir.
No, dia itu adalah the owner of the picture.
Okay.
Karena the one who take the picture doesn't mean become the owner of the picture. You know why? For example, Mulia adalah orang yang bekerja di perusahaan umpamanya perusahaan Pertamina, for example. Kemudian Yulia mengambil foto dan dimasukkan di websitenya Pertamina atau tidak dimasukkan ke website Pertamina, it means that fotonya punya siapa?
Pertamina.
Pertamina, walaupun Yulia yang ngambil. Okay, so it is belong to Jakarta Post because it is taken from Jakarta Post.
Oke.
Jadi lanjutin aja, tambahin titik, masukin ke kurung Jakarta Post. Right? Dah.
Right.
Okay.
So this is your caption. It's very easy. Does anyone want to read the caption yang sudah kita buat?
Nicholas.
Search lah, search.
1, 2, 3. Abad tuh.
1. Udah belum Jen?
Okay. Teenager wear mask while exiting the MRT. 7, 18, 20. Jakarta, Indonesia. Society are ordered to follow the protocol in new normal basis to decrease the number of COVID-19 patient. Jakarta, Pos Gunawan. Pretty easy. Do you guys understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's now. Kamu kan bisa akses ini ya, apa namanya, pesannya. Now write caption kamu di pesan.
Oke.
Dengan gambar ini.
Philippines. Oke. Yes, sir.
Atau perlu di guide lagi?
Boleh.
Okay, what do you see, guys?
Pemerintah. Oh, ya what do you see?
What do you see in the picture?
Orang mau
Pulang kampung.
cek paspor.
Oke, orang mau cek paspor or orang lagi ngantri. Oke. Dah? Di mana orang ngantrinya? Di bandara.
Di bandara.
Oke, so who-nya orang-orang what-nya adalah what is what?
What?
Ngantri.
Ngantri, oke. Ngantri
Stay in
di
line.
bandara untuk cek visa, for example. Kemudian when-nya when?
When August.
Julai 17, 2020.
Oke, 17 July 2020. Kemudian negara di mana?
Manila, Philippines. Philippines, Manila.
Kemudian ditambah dengan message-nya apa?
People start to travel to Philippines.
Oke. Kemudian nanti ada kreditnya. Kreditnya boleh dibuat apa aja. So please write your own caption, guys, in chat room. I'm waiting in 5 minutes. Can you guys do that in 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone ya.
Yeah.
Including those who are not opening this camera.
Ah. Ah.
Are you guys done?
Belum.
Belum? If you need help, three minutes left. Just mention if you need help, yeah. Don't worry.
Sir. Udah, Sir.
When you lose.
Okay, good job, Nicholas Frediteng, Alex, and Stephen Depico. For Stephen Devico, tulisan they check visas because itu dihilangin aja, langsung aja Philippines government.
Oke, sir.
Okay, but it's a good job. It is a good caption already. Foreigner are staying in line while waiting for a visa statement. Okay, good job. People waiting for their forecasted to get this. Right, Fania, you are missing the second line. Your first line and your third line is very good already. Yang second line-nya yang missing. Okay. Hello, Fania. Hello, Fania. Are you there? Fania?
Bot kayaknya.
Hello, Fania. Are you there? Mulia? Mulia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you write here, Y-nya itu bukan jawaban kenapa mereka cek the passport. Okay? Tapi Y-nya itu is jawaban kenapa gambarnya itu penting. For example, mungkin di situ adalah Filipina sudah memberikan izin kepada orang-orang pendatang untuk masuk ke negaranya, for example. Itu jadi kenapa gambar ini penting untuk ditunjukkan. Do you understand, Mulia? Or any other question?
Sir.
Okay, so Y-nya itu bukan Y gambarnya seperti itu, tapi Y gambar itu penting, oke? Okay? Tapi yang third line kamu udah bagus sekali, yang first line juga udah bagus, oke? Okay? Tinggal yang second line. Oke, okay, good job, Elvin Lee. Oke, okay, good job, Elvin Lee. Fania Febrina, you are missing the second line. Herlina, the people waiting before 11 abroad. Good job. Okay, Herlina Wang also missing the second line. Ya, Herlina, mana Herlina? Are you
sir.
there? Okay, you are missing the second line. Yang Y-nya belum ada. Okay? Yang first line and the third line, you are very good at it already. Yang second line aja. Yang Y, apa pentingnya dari gambar ini?
Oke, sir.
Okay. Unitasan public queue and airport Manila. Okay, Unitasan it's also acceptable. Okay, Unita. Udah bagus, udah bisa diinikan. Udah ada Y-nya, udah ada third line-nya. Yang tadi masih belum, nanti diperbaiki lagi. Oh, oke. Okay. Yang Vina ini siapa sih? Lupa saya. Who is Vina?
YouTuber aja, sir.
Delvina.
YouTuber aja. Who is Vina, guys?
Delvina.
Oh, Delvina. Okay, Delvina. People in airport itu masih who. What-nya belum ada. Apa yang mereka lakukan di airport? Oke. Okay? Oke. Okay. Tapi where and when-nya udah bagus. Jadi yang they line up and check in paper ini, droplet ini, or I'm giving you another presentation. Wait. Oke. Ini Devina. Are you there? Delvina, are you there? Oh, oke. Delvina, people in airport itu masih who ya? Ini masih who. If you can see what I'm sharing. Yang Y kamu ini adalah what seharusnya nih. Pindahin aja ke atas. People in airport line up and check in to prepare for flight from Philippines. Berarti Y-nya diganti ya. Maksudnya Y-nya yang masih kurang. Kurang menjelaskan kenapa gambar itu penting. Okay. Any question, Devina?
Apun.
People traveling from Philippines. Okay, Esther, good job. Delvina, typo. Okay, Yulia is also acceptable. Okay, I think everyone sudah paham secara keseluruhan. Remember, Y-nya itu bukan kenapa gambar itu seperti itu. Okay. Do you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oke, Y-nya itu bukan kenapa gambar seperti itu, tapi apa yang ingin kita sampaikan di balik gambar tersebut. That is why or message. Oke.
Oke.
Orang lagi antri. Nah, bukan kita bilang kenapa mereka ngantri di Y-nya. Tapi Y-nya harus menjelaskan orang lagi ngantri. Emangnya apa pentingnya orang lagi ngantri itu? Oh, penting gara-gara COVID-19 sedang menyebar dan mereka harus menggunakan protokol-protokol atau Filipina sudah memperbolehkan apa gitu berita di balik gambar itu. So berita di balik gambar itu adalah why. Okay, do you guys understand that?
Yes.
I'm sending you an exercise after this. I'm sending you an exercise and you can do it sampai malam ini. Oke? Okay?
Sampai malam ini.
Kapan punya waktu kerjain aja. Jadi nanti saya akan kirimkan nilainya juga di Google Form-nya. Kemarin udah dapat nilai yang udah jawab?
Ya, ada 60.
Oh ya. Nanti akan kita review juga.
Sir, boleh minta link yang kemarin, Sir?
Link apanya tuh?
Yang
Link apa nih?
kemarinnya.
Oh iya, boleh.
Sempat kejawab, Sir, kemarin.
Oke.